This selection is mostly about A. Art and nature, B. Antique furniture and art, C. Different kinds of art, or D. Different kinds of flowers. We have to take a close look at the question and realize it's asking us, what is this selection mostly about? All of the things mentioned in the choices are mentioned in our paragraph. It is our job to figure out which one it is talking mostly about. One simple way to do this is to take a look at our topic sentence, which in this paragraph happens to be the first sentence. What may be art to one person may not be art to another. As we know that a topic sentence reflects the main idea of a paragraph, we can be sure that whatever is talked about in the topic sentence is what the paragraph is going to be mostly talking about. In this case, we see the topic sentence is talking about art. Based on this, we can go into our choices and mark C, different kinds of art, as our answer. If we would like to be sure, we can use another tip. Everything that is in the other choices fits neatly into C. That is to say, art and nature fits under different kinds of art, antique furniture and art fits under art as well, and different kinds of flowers are only brought up in this paragraph in the context of art. As we see, some people think a single orchid is art, others may feel flowers are art. Therefore, we can be sure that C, different kinds of art, is our final answer.